Hey night explorers, tonight we're busting one of the oldest animal myths ever. Are bats really blind? Spoiler, they're not just flying chaos. They're actually superheroes of the night. Let's dive into the darkness and shed some light on these misunderstood creatures. First up, we've got to address the elephant in the cave, that age-old saying, blind as a bat. We've all heard it, right? But hold on to your bat signals because we're about to flip that script faster than Batman's cape. Fact number one, and it's a mind blower, bats are not blind at all. I know, right? It's like finding out your favorite superhero wears contacts. The reality check is that bats have fully functioning eyes. They can see, and some of them can see pretty darn well. So next time someone drops that blind as a bat line, you can hit them with some knowledge faster than a fruit bat can spot a ripe mango. Now, let's talk vision skills, because these nocturnal ninjas have got it going on. Most bats see about as well as humans do. But here's where it gets wild. Some species can actually see better than us in low light. It's like they've got built-in night vision goggles. So no, they're not just bumbling around in the dark, crashing into cave walls like flying potatoes. They've got their bat eyes on the prize, whether that's a juicy moth or the perfect spot to hang upside down. But wait, there's more! If you thought bats were cool before, get ready to have your mind blown by their real superpower, echolocation. It's like they've got a built-in sonar system that would make any submarine jealous. Bats send out high-pitched sound waves and listen to the echoes that bounce back. This lets them map out their surroundings in incredible detail, even in pitch-black darkness. Imagine screaming into the void and actually getting useful feedback. That's basically what bats do, but way cooler and way more effective. Thanks to this epic echolocation ability, bats are the ultimate night hunters. These flying furballs can catch up to 1,000 insects per hour. That's right, 1,000. They're out there doing pest control on a massive scale while we're all sleeping. Mosquitoes hate them, and humans should be sending them thank you cards. Next time you're not getting eaten alive at a summer barbecue, you might want to raise a toast to your local bat population. Now here's a plot twist for you. Not all bats are echolocation experts. The big fruit bats, also known as flying foxes, rely more on their vision and sense of smell to get around and find food. These guys have excellent eyesight, probably better than yours after binge watching Netflix all night. They're the ones you might see hanging out in trees looking like adorable sky puppies with wings. Let's talk about those ultrasonic beats for a second. The sounds bats use for echolocation are so high-pitched that human ears can't pick them up. If we could hear what bats hear, the night sky would sound like the world's wildest rave party. It's probably for the best that we came. Imagine trying to sleep with all that bat chatter going on outside your window. But here's where it gets even cooler. Bats are team players when it comes to their sonar skills. Different species use different frequencies to avoid signal jamming each other. It's like they've figured out how to have perfect Wi-Fi connections in the bat world. No interference, no lag. They're out there living in 3022 while we're still trying to get a decent signal in our own homes. Time for another myth-busting moment. Contrary to popular belief, bats are not vampires. Less than 1% of bat species drink blood, and they're not interested in yours. Most bats are way more into insects, fruit, or nectar. They're more like nature's pest control and pollination service than Count Dracula's flying minions. So you can chill out. That bat fluttering around is probably more interested in eating mosquitoes than turning you into its next meal. Let's zoom in on those bat eyes for a second, because they're pretty special. Bat eyes are super sensitive to dim light, which makes sense for creatures that are up all night partying. I mean hunting. Some bats can even see ultraviolet light, which is like having a secret superpower that lets them see things we can't even imagine. It's like they're living in a whole different world of colors and patterns that are invisible to us mere humans. So here's the truth bomb we've been building up to. Bats are absolutely, positively not blind. They can see, and many of them can see really well, but they've also got that echolocation thing going on, which means they've basically got two epic systems working together. It's a double OP combo that makes them the ultimate nighttime navigators and insect-catching champions. These flying mammals are rocking both sight and sound in a way that puts our human senses to shame. They're out there living their best nocturnal lives, using a mix of vision and echolocation to dominate the night sky. It's like having GPS and a map. Why rely on just one when you can have both? So yeah, bats aren't blind at all. In fact, they've got better night vision than us and a built-in sonar system. Next time you hear blind as a bat, you'll know it's total cap. These creatures are the unsung heroes of the night, keeping insect populations in check, pollinating plants, and generally being awesome while the rest of us are snoozing. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it the ultraviolet vision, the insane insect catching skills, or maybe the fact that most bats are more interested in fruit smoothies than blood cocktails? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the WildWhisper fam for more myth-busting animal facts every day. We're always here to bring you the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful tidbits from the animal kingdom. Remember, the next time you see a bat zipping through the twilight sky, you're not just watching a flying mammal. You're witnessing a masterpiece of evolution, a creature with superpowers that put our favorite comic book heroes to shame. These night flyers are proof that sometimes reality is way cooler than fiction. So, my fellow night explorers, let's raise a virtual toast to bats, the true MVPs of the nocturnal world. They're out there keeping our ecosystems in balance, looking fly, pun totally intended, and doing it all with a set of skills that would make any spy jealous. Stay wild, stay curious, and don't be afraid of the dark. After all, that's where all the coolest creatures come out to play. Keep your eyes open, your ears tuned, and who knows, maybe you'll start to see the night in a whole new light. Or should I say, in a whole new echolocation ping. Until next time, this is your host signing off. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, in the world of nature, there's always more than meets the eye. Or in this case, more than meets the echolocation. Peace out, bat fans.